Hey YouTubers, Steven here. How's everybody doing? Okay, so today we're going to build a hop trellis. We've got some steel poles here. We've got a 7-footer, 2 5-footers, 5.5-footers. I'll show you what I'm going to do with these, and we're going full beefy with pulleys, clothesline, you name it. So it's a beautiful day. Really feels like summer, so I'm going to move the camera and let's get this started. Alright, so now that we've got the bigger piece of pipe cut in half, I'm going to take the other piece of pipe here, just going to marry them, put them together. And then this is going to work as a collar. So I'm thinking the two pipes together, that's going to be pretty near hard to really bend. The next step that I plan on doing is I'm going to weld the top and the bottom. Then the next step is going to be to drill the holes for the lag bolts to hold it, go in. And then last but not least, I'm going to drill a hole up here for the hook for the clothesline pulley. And this pipe, this was $3 for these 3 pieces of pipe. My brother-in-law happened to be driving by a scrap metal place, stopped in. You know what? $3. Alright, let me dig out the MIG welder and we'll get this welded up. If you pre-drill your holes with a smaller bit than what you need, it'll go much faster to drill through. Not too bad for 2 steel pipes. Holes welded. I'm not the greatest welder in the world, but you know what? It's solid, so it's not going anywhere. We've got our holes drilled, mounted on our 4x4 post, and we've got our hook for our clothesline pulley. The hook is a little small, but you know what? It doesn't matter. That'll lock it into place. It's not going to go anywhere, so alright. Alright, I'm going to put this up on the posts, get some clothesline on here, and fingers crossed. Alright, so there we go. We've got the post installed. And yeah, it went together fairly well. I've got a support wire coming back to my fence post. And then see if I can pan up to the other end. Alright, and you can see how I have the pulley fashioned up there. The support wire in the back. And then, yeah, so now I just have to lower the line when I want to tie my hop lines up. Raise the lines up, and then I can tie them down here on the ground, and hopefully I'll never have to get up on the ladder again. Alright, so I really have my fingers crossed for the trellis this year. I think it's going to be good and strong. I may look at a solution to maybe put a support in the center, but I don't know. So far it seems pretty tight, but I really didn't think it was going to take me this long today to do. It's supper time, I gotta get cleaned up, we won't have barbecue, because you know, Monday is tomorrow. Sucks, we all have to go back to work, but I'm happy. I got this done. Now it'll probably only take me like 15 or 20 minutes to tie some lines and then join my lines up. So yeah, right on. I think this trellis is going to be great this year, so stay tuned for some more videos. The hop plants are doing really good since I had pruned them all back. They're not showing any shock. They're coming up nice, so this is going to be an interesting season this year, so stay tuned. So anyways, till the next one, be hoppy.